Hey there, music lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful. How to redeem your Spotify Premium code in 2025. If you've got a code from a gift, promo, or purchase, this quick guide will get you streaming ad-free in no time. I'm excited to walk you through it step by step, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Spotify Premium code handy. It's that string of letters and numbers you'll need. Start by opening the Spotify app on your phone, tablet, or computer, or head over to the Spotify website at spotify.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your existing account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create a free account first. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, look for the Profile or Account section. This is usually in the top right corner of the app or website. Click on it, and then find the option that says Redeem Code or Gift Card. Don't worry if the exact wording varies slightly, it's often under Settings or Subscriptions. When you spot it, click to open the redemption page. Now, enter your code carefully into the provided field. Double check for any typos because accuracy is key here. After you input the code, hit Redeem or Submit. Spotify will process it, and if everything's good, you'll see a confirmation message. Your premium subscription should activate immediately, unlocking features like offline listening, high-quality audio, and no ads. If you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your code hasn't expired or been used before. You can always check Spotify's Help Center for troubleshooting. And there you have it. That's all it takes to upgrade your Spotify experience in 2025. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep the tunes playing.